Well, got a solution. I know everybody's saying not to drill a hole on it, but I went and go ahead and did it anyway. I used a 7/8 of the inch drill bit. It worked pretty good. It punched your little hole at first, and that one, you make sure you don't punch this cable through it. And as you can see, it's there. And I went and go ahead and push the latch. It's right on the way. Through the bottom of it. And it created this little coin that I want to go ahead and tape it with duct tape. And I'm gonna put some JB Well on it, and it should be good. There's a factory access hole there, if you can see it. I think they might use kind of like an L-shaped tool, so it will get to in through this hole. And there's another hole there that are going through the cabin, and it's go in and through this way. That way you can snap it this way. But I want to go ahead and get it like that, make that little coin. I'm gonna go ahead and put JB Well on it and call it a day. And